And with no approval for club venues so far in the Jamaica Premier League, the Professional Football Jamaica Limited (PFJL) has had to be coughing up millions of dollars to rent neutral venues, which is proving costly so far. Of the three venues used to date, only Sabina Park and Drax Hall were able to host fans, but neither has returned a profit.
Even if permission is granted to have unvaccinated fans at Premier League matches, this will not be enough for the PFJL to take home a profit. That's because the cost to rent venues like Sabina Park and the National Stadium could run the PFJL to a loss on a weekly basis. Drax Hall, which is a financially viable venue, was used to host fans, but also fell short due to technical and logistical problems for the 3 match days.
Drax Hall venue were broke even, right? So we got good support from the St. Ann Football Association. The challenge we had, as you know, is the easy access to viewing the game on the outside. And so we had to rethink that venue.
However, even though the problem was ironed out for last weekend's matches at Sabina Park, it still proved an expensive weekend for the PFJL.
We moved to Sabina, which is multiple times more expensive. We also added lighting for the move to Sabina, which is $50,000 per hour. So we think we would have come out at probably, and these are figures that we discussed with the ministers, we think we would have come out at between 1 and 1.5 million in loss for the weekend.
Stadium East is considered a viable venue for the PFJL, but the wait for that venue could be long due to the track and field season.
First of all, that the National Stadium is booked for track and field. When it is booked for track and field, it also takes Stadium East. And Stadium East is the best economically viable venue in Kingston. So that's gone.
And with a change in curfew time, fans could look forward to attending night matches on a Monday.
So the 3 and 5:15, while it works well on the weekend, is not ideal on a Monday. So we are working with our broadcast partners to try and push Monday back. And so yes, we are looking at trying to get to a 9 p.m., which is our traditional Monday night slot.
This weekend's set of matches are again slated for Sabina Park, but if there's no favorable response from government, the games will be moved to the UWI Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.